Dips are one of the most essential exercises for building the chest and shoulder girdle. The key advantages of this exercise are the comprehensive engagement of the entire body's muscles and the development of both fast-twitch and slow-twitch muscle fibers. In this video, I'll explain what happens to your body when you do 10 dips every day. So, make sure to watch the video till the end. It's going to be interesting. Let's go. The primary benefit of dips is that this exercise not only targets the pectoral muscles, but also activates the secondary stabilizing muscles, which are crucial for maintaining proper posture. Moreover, dips work the chest at a fundamentally different angle compared to the bench press and push-ups. They also enhance and strengthen the neuromuscular connection between the brain and muscles. Essentially, dips teach you to consciously engage your body's muscles in movement. This ultimately accelerates muscle hypertrophy, resulting in significant improvements in strength for other basic exercises. The main muscle groups worked during dips are the pectoral muscles, triceps, trapezius, and shoulder girdle. With the correct technique, the abs and upper back also actively contribute. It is the ability of dips to engage nearly the entire body musculature that sets them apart from classic exercises like the bench press. Even with an inclined bench press, only the pectoral muscles and shoulders bear the load, largely excluding the stabilizing muscles from the movement. Performing dips with a slight forward body lean ensures proper load distribution and engages not only the lower chest but also the shoulders, arms, back, and stabilizing muscles. A key aspect of proper dip technique is that the body weight doesn't move along a strictly vertical path, as is commonly assumed. Instead, the weight is distributed across 2 points. As you lower your body, your torso should not remain perpendicular to the floor. It should be angled at 15 to 30 degrees from vertical. To further involve the abs, keep them tense during the exercise, and at the lowest point, gently pull your legs toward your waist. At the top of the movement, your arms should be straight, elbows slightly fixed, chest open, and body as upright as possible, with your gaze forward. While lowering, tilt your pelvis back and your torso forward. At the lowest point, your elbows should be parallel to the bars, and your shoulders should dip slightly below elbow level. Ensure you complete a full range of motion without shortening either the upper or lower part of the movement. If slow execution feels difficult, consider using a gravitron machine or a platform with counterweights. A common mistake during dips is performing partial repetitions, where the shoulders stay at or above elbow level, resulting in incomplete engagement of the chest muscles. Another frequent error is flaring the elbows outward instead of keeping them close to the body. For proper form, ensure your elbows remain close, and at the lowest point, bring your shoulder blades together. Otherwise, the shoulder joint may endure unnecessary strain. Dips can also be performed statically, similar to a plank. In this variation, the goal is to hold your body motionless at the top of the movement for a set duration. Start with 10 seconds and gradually increase to a minute or more. Combining both dynamic and static variations of dips helps develop both fast-twitch and slow-twitch muscle fibers. By the way, friends, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.